Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media and you see those headlines or you hear those stories about people hitting massive financial milestones in their 20s or early 30s? And for a second you think to yourself, am I doing something wrong? Or maybe, is that even realistic for someone like me? It's a common feeling, that little knot in your stomach that whispers you're falling behind. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on those big, intimidating wealth milestones, $100,000, $500,000, and even that elusive $1 million mark. And I promise you, the real ages most people hit these numbers are probably not what you think. So stick with me for a few minutes, because this isn't about making you feel inadequate. It's about empowering you with the truth and giving you a realistic, achievable roadmap to get there. We're going to dive deep into the actual data, not just the flashy highlight reels you see online. You'll discover the average and, more importantly, the median ages that people truly achieve these significant net worth figures. We'll explore why these numbers are so often different from what we're led to believe, and how understanding this simple truth can completely change your financial journey for the better. This is about real progress, real life, and the kind of real wealth building that leads to lasting security and peace of mind. Let's be honest for a moment. The world of finance and money can feel incredibly overwhelming. It's so easy to get caught up in the comparison game, constantly feeling like you're playing catch-up. But here's a secret, something that the get-rich-quick gurus don't often talk about. Wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about the journey, the habits you build, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're in control. It's about having options, securing your future, and building a life that you genuinely love. And that journey, that path, looks different for every single one of us. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon, filled with small, consistent, and sometimes unglamorous steps. But it's those small steps, taken day after day, year after year, that lead to truly incredible, life-changing results. So, let's talk numbers. When you hear statistics about average net worth, it's crucial to take them with a grain of salt. The average can be incredibly misleading because a handful of billionaires can dramatically skew the entire picture, making it seem like everyone is doing better than they actually are. That's why we're going to focus on the median net worth. The median is the number right in the middle. It means half the people have more and half have less. This gives us a much more realistic and relatable view of what most people are actually achieving. Based on the most recent data from sources like the Federal Reserve's Survey of Consumer Finances, here's when most people are truly hitting those big financial milestones. First, let's talk about the $100,000 net worth milestone. While some financial influencers might suggest you should hit this in your late 20s, the reality for most people is quite different. The data shows that the median net worth for people in their 30s is around $24,000, and for those in their 40s, it's about $76,000. This means that for the majority of people, breaking that $100,000 mark often happens in their late 40s or even early 50s. Think about that. It's a journey, not a race. It takes time to build that initial foundation, to pay off student loans, to get established in a career, and to start making real financial headway. So if you're not there yet, you are not behind. You are right on track with most of the population. Next up, the $500,000 milestone. This is where things really start to accelerate for many, and the power of compounding begins to flex its muscles. The median net worth typically reaches this level in people's 50s or 60s. Specifically, for those in their 50s, the median is around $192,000, and for those in their 60s, it climbs to about $290,000. This clearly shows that consistent saving and investing over several decades truly pays off. The money you invested in your 30s and 40s is now doing the heavy lifting for you. This is the reward for all those years of discipline and patience. Finally, let's discuss the $1 million net worth milestone. This is the dream for many, and it's often portrayed as an early achievement in movies and on social media. However, the data reveals a much different story. Most people who reach the $1 million net worth mark do so in their 60s or even 70s. While the median net worth for those in their 60s is around $290,000, it's important to remember that this is the middle point. Many people in the top 25% of this age group have surpassed the $1 million mark, but it's often achieved later in life, after a lifetime of dedicated financial planning, saving, and investing. This isn't meant to discourage you, but to set realistic expectations and to encourage you to celebrate every single step of your own unique journey. See, it's probably not what you expected, is it? The media, by its very nature, highlights the outliers, the exceptions, the lottery winners, the tech prodigies, the incredibly successful few who hit these numbers at a young age. And while their stories can be inspiring, they can also create a tremendous amount of unrealistic pressure and anxiety. The quiet truth is that building wealth is a gradual, almost boring process. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich slowly and surely. It's about consistency, patience, and understanding the incredible, almost magical power of time and compounding interest. As the author Morgan Housel wisely puts it in his brilliant book, The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. It's the car not bought, the designer watch not worn, the first-class upgrade skipped. It's the sacrifices made, the disciplined savings, the investments that quietly grow in the background year after year. It's not the flashy car or the big house. It's the financial freedom, the security, and the options that those unseen assets provide. So, what does all of this mean for you right now in your life? It means you are exactly where you need to be on your own unique financial journey. It means you can take a deep breath and let go of the comparison game. Don't compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. Instead, focus on these practical, actionable steps that you can start taking today. First, and most importantly, start now, no matter how small. The most powerful tool you have in your wealth-building arsenal is time. Even a small amount saved consistently will grow into a substantial sum thanks to the magic of compounding. Don't wait until you have a big amount to invest. Open that retirement account. Set up a small automatic transfer to your savings account each payday. The key is to just start. Second, focus on your savings rate. This is arguably more important than your income or even your investment returns. The more you save, the faster you will build wealth. Look for ways to increase the gap between what you earn and what you spend. This doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation. It just means being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. Third, educate yourself. You don't need to become a financial expert, but you should understand the basics of investing, budgeting, and debt management. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos. The more you know, the more confident and effective you'll be in managing your money and making it work for you. And finally, number 4, be patient and consistent. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be good years and bad years in the stock market. There will be times when you feel like you're not making any progress, but staying consistent with your habits over the long term is the absolute key to success. Trust the process and trust in your ability to achieve your goals. Remember, your financial journey is yours and yours alone. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, and trust the process. You are more than capable of building incredible wealth and securing a bright financial future for yourself. If this video helped you feel a little more empowered and a little less alone on your financial journey, please hit that like button, subscribe for more realistic and practical finance advice, and maybe share it with a friend who needs to hear this message. What are your financial goals? What's one small step you can take today to move closer to them? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.